Hi, my name is Talia. I am a first-year graduate student, just started with Unity College in the Marine Science, Marine Mammal Conservation program. I have been working the past few years as a marine naturalist in Washington and Hawaii, teaching people about the local ecosystems and different whale species in those areas. I'm hoping to work in wildlife rehabilitation, hopefully with some marine mammals later down the line. So I'm really excited to use the education that Unity is going to provide me, along with the job experience that I've already had, and hopefully pursuing those dreams.